Lucky, you got one? Wait, did that say bones,
Oh my god, this is a video, man. This is a video.
Charlie's touching me.
Okay, this is Xander's interview for the video. So Xander, can you introduce yourself to the camera?
Hi, I'm Xander.
Okay, cool. Xander, how are you feeling for your Duke of Edinburgh expedition?
Hungry. I didn't eat lunch.
Ruthless. My style is a juvenile. Ran with a gang, slang in the meanwhile banking. I specialize in ganking white Mexican brothers and others vaguely. It's all about coming up, making sure no punks are running up. Because I'm a gangster having fun.
I suppose let's get this tent down.
Charlie, do you want to tell us what we're going to do today?
We're gonna walk through the rain. We're up that mountain that's now disappeared. And I'm going to.
Yeah.
We're lost already.
Huh? Say hi, Xander.
Hold this.
Hi, Charlie. Can you introduce yourself to the camera for us?
Yeah, I'm Charlie.
How have you found today?
Pretty miserable. Awful views, but you know, good morale. Yeah.
I think you might have had the worst morale out of us all.
Hi guys, wave to the camera. Okay, walk in front.
Let's get a proper selfie.
Yeah, this is Lochlan's interview. Hello Lochlan, can you introduce yourself to the camera for us?
Hello, I'm Lochlan.
Could you tell the camera what we've done today?
Yeah, so when we set off from camp, the first footpath we were going to take was a bit too muddy because of the rain. So we hopped in Jason's van and we got driven to the start of the camp. The walk. And then we climbed up the hill very slowly because it was very steep and the climb was quite difficult. We had to scramble a bit on our hands and knees, but we made it. And then we came down the Devil's Kitchen behind us with a Ben Buckle guiding us, the professional guide.
There's a nice handhold.
and we made it to the lake. And now we're going to walk to camp.
Nice. What are you planning to make for dinner tonight?
I'm making sweat.
Pesto pasta.
I'm really hungry.
On that slab.
And low-key, it's cute, but it's just gonna be in our way.
Hello, Azlan. Can you introduce yourself to the camera for me?
Hi, I'm Azlan.
So, can you give us a little breakdown of what's happened today?
I mean, we expect to be really rainy, but you know, it was quite sunny, really good stuff. We walked by this nice reservoir. Pretty. And then Charlie had an incident.
Charlie, tell us what happens.
Fell off a cliff and broke my knee.
But yeah, we made it. It's all good.
How are you feeling for the last day tomorrow?
You know, I'm looking forward to it. Waking up early, it'll be good.
It's a lovely drive.
A water filling video, the water being filled.
And what is the plan for dinner tonight?
We're having beans and spam.
And how have you found Gold TV on a whole?
Yeah, it's great. Get to be really close to Xander. And my other teammates. And you know, just that closeness is quite good.
Okay, I think we'll end it there. Thank you very much, Azlan.
Press like outside the camera.
No, you can press the red button.
It won't. What the hell?
red button on the screen.
I'm doing.
People I know, places I go, make me feel tongue-tied. I could see how
What are we going to do? When I crash this course.
Here's where the story ends. People I see weary of me.
How do you feel, Azlan?
I
hate the forest. I'm okay.
I can see how people look down. I'm on the outside. Here's where the story ends.
Alright, we We've got Yuvraj here. Yuvraj, can you introduce yourself for us?
Hi, I'm Yuvraj.
So, how's your day been going, just generally?
I think the day's been going really well. I think the idea that we can go to the coach, that'd be lovely. Yeah.
And what are you most looking forward to when you go back?
When I go back home, I'm looking forward to my bed, not having to walk, to be honest.
The list just keeps going.
I think the idea of having my house just being there rather than my back seems quite nice.
That's great. What's your best experience of the trip?
Best experience of the trip? That's quite tough. I mean, I think Devil's Kitchen was quite a highlight. I think that's something that we were all looking forward to. Like the vertical descent coming back down. I think it was quite fun. It was good, and the weather was lovely that day for the latter half, for most of it.
Would you do this again?
Not voluntarily.
So my name is Ben. I'm the Gold DV assessor for NTS for Team 2. I am delighted to inform Team 2 that they have been very successful in their gold expedition. They have passed the expedition component. I've worked with some very strong gold teams over the years, but this team in particular is one of the strongest. Well done, fellas.